Look at that. The thing is, they did not put bubble wrap in this. Hi guys! Today I'm going to do unboxing for a product that was purchased through Lazada. Okay, so this is it. Actually, this is not for me, but this is for Sky Asia Travel and Tours for the outlet, but I'm going to unbox it. Kasi I'm so excited, nakaka-excite to open this. This is a diffuser, something like that. Sorry, humidifier battery 3-in-1 night light humidifier. Okay, so let's open up. Actually, the story of this is the second time this sent, because the first time it was defective items. I mean, I think it was through shipping, which the glass, something like that, broke. So okay, I got it opened already, the packaging, and again I don't know, but they did not put bubble wrap again, so it's kind of like worrying that it might be, you know, broken again. So, and wow, they have a very cute freebie. Look at that. A headband, a Santa headband. Now, I think this will go to Asia. Yay! Oh, there she is. Okay. So let's open it. I'm really hoping for the best, because the last time wasn't really good. And good thing they replaced the item and they sent this one, and the other one we did not need to send it back. So let's see. Actually, I do not know how to assemble these things. Okay, what we have here, we have manual, how to use it, USB house humidifier manual. Okay, that's very important. And we have here this box with some cords in it, and wait up. So okay, this is the item. Wait, humidifier, right? Okay, humidifier. Oh, it's a house. Oh, very fragile. Oh no. Yeah, it's very fragile. Okay, look at that. The thing is, they did not put bubble wrap in this at all, knowing that this item is really fragile. And I do not know why. I do not know why they haven't learned from the last time. Oh gosh. So, okay guys, I'm going to put it in. I'm not going to use it today. But yeah, this is it said, please use cleaning tap water or mineral water. It's not recommended to use distilled water to affect the humidification effect. Make sure the water container is only loaded 90%. Be careful to top or information that would metal optimize your interest function. Don't spray or spray becomes smaller, remain empty and to fill up, or spray as color considering the water quality change the water interface on swap. Okay, so this is how it looks in the manual. That picture there. So, well, I'll sort this out later and we'll show you how it is being used. Okay, see ya. So guys, this is how the mini humidifier looks like. Sorry we haven't shown you how we put it all together, but with the help of the user manual, I think it's pretty easy. Also, it's best to ask the seller and make sure that they will bubble wrap the item before they will ship it. And I think it's also best to mix alcohol or perfume with the water for its refreshing smell. And that's it for now. See you next time. Bye!